Over there.
Well,
Caitlin, when you get time, you need to go up and pick your box before they run over it. He ain't gonna move it.
That's okay. Here, grab a handful of hail. Caitlin, come here, hurry. Put the popcorn down. A double handful. Hurry, I'll take your picture. Hurry.
Where's I gonna get some food?
Caitlin, we're just going to be here for a second.
Oh, my feet are cold.
No, it'll be all right.
Oh, my feet are
It's not over yet. It's not done growing yet. Hurry, Caitlin. Hurry.
freezing.
I'm standing in it too. Okay, I'll just take a picture. Never mind.
Oh, my God.
Beat it 2 pieces.
Yeah. Oh my God, that was cold.
Oh, my foot. That's pretty good.
Oh, we got some rainbows.
Killed our cabbage plant.
Just got the cabbage plant.
Making a video when it started. This direction, and all of a sudden it just whipped out. And I said, let's get in the basement. So we went downstairs.
No,
No,
that's not so bad.
Yep.
okay. The sun was shining at several times.
Oh. I'm gonna hurry and get some ice. I'm gonna keep some ice.